Welcome back to Plant Operations Mastery. In our last video, we introduced the 5S method. Today, we bring it to life with a real case study from a vehicle assembly line. You will see how simple steps like sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain transform the shop floor into a model of productivity and quality. On the assembly line, mechanics carried personal toolkits. Tools were often missing, parts were scattered, and operators wasted valuable minutes searching. This led to delays, inconsistent work, and occasional safety issues. The first step was short. Every station was audited and unnecessary tools were removed. Only the required spanners, wrenches, and gauges stayed. Next, set in order. Tool shadow boards were introduced, so every tool had a fixed location. Small parts like bolts and nuts were organized in Kanban racks with clear labeling, reducing searching time. Shine was about daily cleaning. Workstations were assigned cleaning responsibility. This not only improved visibility but also prevented breakdowns and rework. Standardize followed. SOPs and visual guidance were displayed at each station. Color-coded floor marking defined safe pathways and storage zones. Finally, sustain. Weekly 5S audits were introduced and teams were recognized for best practices. This helped maintain discipline and motivation. The results were powerful. Tool search time reduced by over 70%, assembly delays dropped, and new operators adapted quickly. Overall productivity improved, safety incidents reduced, and team morale went up. This real case study shows how 5S drives efficiency on the shop floor. Which of the 5S steps do you find hardest to sustain in your workplace? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more lean case studies.